We're trying to figure out the value of C, and based on the grid, we know that A times A equal D. That's A times A equal D. And we know that B times B equals G, and C times C equals J. I'm not sure if that's even needed. We also know that AB equal E. There's the E. And AC equal F. AC equal F, and BC equals H. And we're trying to figure out what is the value of C. So if you look at clue 1, C equals F. So we know that AC equals F. So that means that AC equals C. So can you tell by looking that means that either A is 1 or C is 0 to get C? A would have to be 1 or C is 0. If you can't eyeball that, you can say AC minus C, and then factor out the C, and you get A minus 1 equals 0. So C equals 0, or A minus 1 equals 0, which means A equal 1. So we know C equals 0 or A equals 1. So we don't know for sure. This is an or, it's not an and. So we do not know whether C equals 0 or if A equals 1. So I can't say for sure what the value of C is. So clue 1 does not work by itself. And now if you look at clue 2, H not equal to 0. Well, BC equals H. So we know BC is not equal to 0. All right, so that could be an infinite number of things. So we don't know what C is. That doesn't work. Now, if you put both of them together, that's not going to work either for the very same reasons I just gave. So nothing works. The answer is E.